Okay, everyone, it's time for the cake! Yay! I can't wait!
Happy birthday, sweetheart! You waited all day for this.
Ah!
Mia!
Wait for me! I want to see the cake!
Mia, what did you do? Look at the cake!
Mom, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Just go to your room, Mia. Right now!
But Mom, I said I'm sorry.
Now, Mia. We'll talk later.
My birthday cake fell.
Oh no. Nora, it's okay. Don't cry.
It's just a cake. We can fix this.
Mom, I'm home. Hey, baby. How was your day? Come sit with me.
Okay, Mom. I'm coming.
It was so good. My teacher loved my project.
That's amazing. Amazing. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Mom, I'm home.
Okay, go change your clothes.
Mom, is she upset with me too? Because of the cake. Oh, Mom, I worked really hard for this project.
I know, honey. You always make me proud, you little genius.
Today, maybe something special will happen. I hope Mom and everyone remember. Wait, nothing's here. No decorations, no cake. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. Eat your breakfast. You'll be late for school.
Okay, Mom, maybe I was hoping too much. Mom forgot even my birthday. I'll just wait. Maybe something will happen later.
Maybe something is ready now.
Wait, it's still the same. No decorations, no cake. They're just watching TV like it's any other evening.
Mom, it's my birthday today.
Oh, right. Happy birthday, honey. Nothing's changed again. They don't even notice me.
Look, Mom, this is so much fun.
Yes, dear. The show is always good.
Mom forgot even my birthday. Maybe I should just go alone.
Why does it feel like no one cares? Happy birthday to me.
Mia, you okay in there? Mia, you okay in there? She seems so sad. What happened today? Hey, talk to me.
Dad, nobody remembered my birthday. Nobody cared.
I'm so sorry, sweetheart. I'm so sorry.
Dad, ever since Nora's birthday, Mom doesn't hug me. She doesn't talk to me. She doesn't even look at me.
I'm here now. I promise you didn't do anything wrong.
Today is Mia's birthday.
I know. I already told her happy birthday.
She's sitting alone in the dark crying. Do you remember Nora's birthday?
The cake? Yes. She dropped it and I got upset at her.
Are you still holding that against her?
I didn't realize. I didn't know I was doing this. You know.
She just wants her mom back.
What kind of mom am I?
Come on, let's surprise Mia.
Yes, let's make her happy. I have to fix this tonight.
This is for you, Mia. She deserves it.
We'll make her smile again.
This time it's all for her. Happy birthday, my girl.
Ready?
Let's do this.
Happy birthday, Mia!
Whoa! What? What is this?
I'm so sorry, Mia. That accident was never your fault.
Come on, make a wish, princess.
I just missed you, Mom. Happy birthday, my baby.
We love you so much, Mia.
This is for you, Mia. Thank you, everyone. Go on, Mia.
Go on, Mia. Make a wish.
This is your moment. I wished for us to be happy together.
Okay, now cut the cake.
How did you like this story? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.
Like and share with your friends. See you in the next video.
Bye.
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 Bye.